Wishing all of you a very happy new year. This is the start of a new year, 2022, and I hope that you guys have a great start so far and a great year ahead. For those who are new to our channel, my name is Marcus and I'm the Chief Mentor for Concept of Price. For those who have followed our videos, welcome back. Okay, right, I hope that all of you have been keeping well. Now, what I'm going to talk about today is the importance of simulated trading. Now, what is simulated trading? For all those who are new to trading, okay, simply put, simulated trading in layman's term is called paper trading. Right? Now, what is paper trading? It's that after you attend a course, it could be 2 days, 3 days, however long it is. Now, you need to put into practice, okay, the strategies that you're going to use, okay, based on the historical data as well as on live market itself. You need to practice, right? It's no point attending a course you don't practice and you try to jump into live trading too fast. So simulated trading is a form of you practicing. All right. Now, over the years, okay, I've seen many traders. Okay, I've seen many traders who jump into live trading too fast. Okay, without going through this very crucial step. Okay, often with disastrous results. Now, they all have their reasons for going live too soon. Okay, and some of these reasons may include, okay, that they are eager to profit from the market. Right. I mean, when you come into trading, the basic motivation for coming to trading is to make money. Right, is to profit from the market. Now, there's this saying that says a little knowledge is dangerous. Right, so before they actually practice, before they actually have confidence in the strategies, they are eager to jump into the market to start trading live. Okay, probably because they see the market as a form of ATM machine. Okay, and what they have in their eyes are just dollar signs. Okay, they see it. Okay, they want it. They see people making money. They also want it. They want to make profits from the market. Well, nothing wrong with that, but do bear in mind that you need some practice. Just like any other athletes, for example, right? They need to train up, they need to prepare themselves, condition themselves before they go for a competition, isn't it? Okay. Another reason which I've encountered is maybe pressure from the spouse. Okay, the spouse see him or her, looking at the market, practicing. In the evening, okay, for maybe 1 month or 2 months, and say, hey, why aren't you going live? Why aren't you making money from the market yet? Can you quickly go live, okay, so that we can go on holiday, so that you can buy me this, buy me that? So pressure from the spouse could be one of the reasons why people go live to the market too fast. Okay, another reason could be lucky. Okay, I call these people lucky trader. They did a bit of a simulated trading, paper trading. Okay, they click a few times and market happened to be good to them. Right, move in their direction, so they think that they are ready, right, to conquer the market. And before understanding the full works of how the strategies work, they actually go live too fast and they end up could be burning their account. Okay, there's another group who don't believe in simulated trading, right, because they find that in order to learn, okay, I need to trade live so that I can feel the pain, I can feel the excitement. Okay, so this is another group of people who may burn through their account very quickly, right? So these are some of the reasons combined together which actually push people to go into live trading too fast, okay, and they may end up being detrimental to their trading account. So I mentioned these are some of the reasons why people fail. So why do they actually fail? Why is simulated trading or paper trading so crucial? Right? We shall come to some of the reasons here. Firstly, they do not fully understand the strategies. Right? There are parameters, there are things that you look up for the trend, there are warning signals in the market. You're new, you don't start by running in the market. Okay, you start by learning how to walk before you run, right? So they do not fully understand that trading is a journey. Okay, it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. Well, some people may get lucky, but at the end of the day, what you want to have is sustainability. You want to be able to last long in the game. So do understand the strategies correctly and fully before you go live. Okay, and because they don't understand the strategies, they try one strategy A, for example. If it doesn't work for them, they jump around different strategies. Oh, this one doesn't work, you go to the next one. Oh, somebody else is using this strategy that makes money for them. Can they use a strategy as well? So they keep jumping around, right? And they never fully have a comprehensive, okay, and workable trading plan for them. Okay. Another reason is no proper risk management. Okay, because they jump around. Okay, they do not understand that there's the risk and reward ratio for each strategy. Now, I talked about risk management before in my previous videos, so please feel free to scroll back and look at it. Okay, and because of that, they are also constantly reacting to the market. Right, market is going up, they try to take long, and suddenly it turns around and they try to take short. They are reacting. They are not trading in a calm manner. So where does that leave them? Okay, frustrated, right? Frustrated. These people do not last long in the game as well. Okay, sooner or later they're gonna say, "That's it. I give up." Okay, I give up. I'm not gonna do anymore. Okay, trading is not for me. Right? Yeah. So these are some of the reasons why people will fail if they don't actually go through the process, okay, of simulated trading. So what's my solution for it? What's my advice to this group of people? Right? Now, at Concept of Price, okay, we encourage all our members, okay, to do simulated trading before attempting any live trades. Okay, at least 100 simulated trades for each strategy that they want to trade. Why? Because you need a big sample size. Okay, so that you know whether this strategy works for you or doesn't work for you. Now, what's the advantage of doing this 100 sim trades? Firstly, it builds trust and confidence. Okay, it builds trust and confidence, right? Now, because these people are actually doing the trade, they're actually pulling the trigger. They're actually clicking on the ladder, taking the trades, although it's on simulation. But they know that at the end of the day, they are the one doing it. Okay, they are the ones doing it, and they are able to see the results at the end of the day, whether this strategy works for them, what are the risk and reward ratio, what are the things that they need to take note of. So this is first hand, okay, because they are the one doing it, and it actually builds a lot of confidence. Right. Now, I've spoken to it in the last video that I did about sending their trade logs, and these trade logs are important because this is a way which I will help you, okay, to understand the strategies, to know where you have gone wrong, okay, to whether to take a trade or whether you are taking a trade recklessly or whether you are taking a trade correctly. So just to highlight, okay, I received email from one of our members recently, and he found that, hey, the trade logs are really one of the most critical part of COP course. Okay, because this is where we get a lot of two-way collaboration. Okay, two-way of me helping you, to mentor you along the way. Right. Now, doing simulated trading, okay, doing all this, right, like 100 sim trades, it builds your trust, you see your trade logs, all this combines together, okay, allows a gentle transition, okay, from the safety of simulated trading to live trading, okay, at least with confidence, right? Simulated trading works like a rehearsal before a live performance. Now, you don't stand in front of a piano recital. Don't go into a piano recital, okay, without practicing, right? All great musicians, they do the rehearsals. Look at all the symphonies. Look at all the athletes, etc. They practice, they rehearse, okay, before they actually perform live. Okay, and this is what, and you see trading as a business. If you see yourself lasting long in a game, okay, this is what you need to do as well, is to practice, rehearse before you actually go live. So when you have practiced enough, okay, and you have rehearsed enough, what does that make you? Okay, at the end of the day, when you are actually trading live, yes, maybe the first few trades you are a bit excited, but over time, because you have confidence in the system, confidence in the strategies, you will be able to trade in a very calm manner, right? Like this trader here, right? In a calm, composed manner, without reacting to the market, without trading recklessly, all right? And then you'll be able to be able to sustain long in the game as well. Okay. Now, I really thank you for listening to our videos. Okay, if you wish to find out more about us, okay, you can actually contact us via our email, info@conceptofprice.com, or you can go to our Facebook. Okay, type in Concept of Price. Okay, you can leave us a message and we'll get back to you. Okay, I thank you for your time, okay, this afternoon, and I hope that this video has been beneficial to you, especially for those who are coming new to trading and never traded before. So this is one crucial step in which you need to go through before you actually go live. Okay, do leave a comment at the end of the video. Okay, and yeah, if you have any suggestions for any videos that you want to watch and we can produce for you, do suggest and we'll get back to you. Remember to subscribe and click on the like button, and yeah, we'll see you the next video again. Thank you, and please take care of yourself.